In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Vidiq keyword research tool. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or just someone exploring the depths of YouTube, mastering keyword research is fundamental to reaching your target audience. So let's jump right in and navigate this essential tool step by step. First, you'll need to ensure that you have both YouTube and the Vidiq extension installed on your browser. Once you have those set up, open your YouTube application. Having Vidiq installed means that you'll gain access to a variety of analytic tools right at your fingertips, enhancing how you interact with content and data on the platform. With YouTube open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, you should go ahead and click on any video of your choice. This doesn't have to be one of your own videos. Any video will do for the purpose of familiarizing yourself with the tool. Once you've clicked on a video, you should notice that the Vidiq panel will automatically appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is a treasure trove of information, offering insights into search volume, competition, and so much more, helping you tailor your content to maximize its reach. On the Vidiq panel, look for the hamburger icon. This icon, which looks like 3 parallel horizontal lines, is where a lot of the powerful features are nested, and it's surprisingly easy to overlook. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, scroll until you find the option labeled Keyword Inspector. Clicking this option will redirect you to the core of the keyword research tool. Next, type a keyword into the search bar. Choose a word or phrase relevant to your content or what you think your potential audience might search for. Once you've entered your desired keyword, press enter. It's really as simple as that. The tool will then generate a comprehensive list of related keywords, complete with metrics that you can use to refine your content strategy. It's an enlightening process which shows you not just what people are searching for, but how you can position your content to be found more easily. Remember, exploring different keywords can unlock unexpected insights into how your audience is thinking and searching, giving you the chance to adjust and refine your approach. The Keyword Inspector will give you data on search volume, competition scores, and related keywords, helping you make informed decisions about which keywords are worth targeting. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've entered the world of keyword research using the Vidiq tool, a journey that opens up countless opportunities to increase your YouTube presence and success. Keep refining your keywords, and before you know it, you'll see the impact in your view and engagement numbers. Thank you for watching, and happy content creating.